Hi everybody. Good morning and welcome to AK Sets class, math class of class 7. Continuation of the last class. I was in sum number 4. You have to find out the values of absolute value of 38 minus absolute value of 126 minus 163. Absolute value of 38 मतलब it is a positive integer is 38 and absolute value of 126 minus 167, that means minus 141. Absolute value of minus 141 equal to only 41. So 38 minus 41 equal to minus 3. Okay, next sum number 4 part 5. Find the value of this. Absolute value of 273 minus absolute value of minus 343 minus absolute value of 12 plus absolute value of minus 2. Absolute value of 273 is 273 only. It is the whole number. Absolute value of minus 343 is 343. You have to take only whole numbers. Absolute value of 12 is 12. Absolute value of minus 2 is only 2. So here is 2 positive integer and 2 negative integer. The sum of 2 positive integers are 275 and sum of 2 negative integers are 355. 275 minus 355, that means you have to subtract from 275 from 355 275 from 355, which is 80, and attach the sign of greater absolute value. It was the rule. So answer is minus 80. Now I will move to exercise 1b. It is a very small exercise. Exercise 1b, very small exercise. First one, first number, add the following number using the number line. Sum number 3, add plus 7 plus minus 3. So you have to add minus 3 with plus 7. So first we move up to plus 7. You have to add a negative integer with a positive integer. You have to add a negative integer. So you have to move left from the given integer. Given integer is 7. You have to move left 3 steps. Therefore you reach at 4. So plus 7 plus minus 3 equal to plus 4. Now exercise 1b, sum number 1 part 4. Add the following numbers using the number line. Minus 3 plus minus 3. So you have to add a negative integer with a integer. Minus 3 means here 0, 1, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. You have to add minus 3 with minus 3. So you have to move left. कहाँ पे? We reach at 6. So answer is 6. Sum number 2. Use the number line to find the following. Use the number line to find the following. 2 part 2. Minus 2 minus 3. So you have to subtract a negative integer from a given integer. What is given integer? Given integer is here minus 2. So you are in you are here minus 2. You have to subtract negative integer, so you have to move right from the given integer. 3 step, 1 2 3, reach here 1. So 1 is the answer. Okay. Now I am starting exercise 1C. Exercise 1C. In this exercise, here is normal addition and subtraction of integers. In my earlier class, that means in my last class, I have explained all about addition and subtraction on number line or normal addition and subtraction. So by following that rules, I have to do here. Add plus 212 plus 67. That means both are positive integer. Both are positive integer. Both have same signs. Same sign. So when both are same sign, we add absolute value of both. 7 2 9 6 1 7. That means 279, and we attach the common sign of plus, which is plus. Okay. In the same way, here we add minus 120 plus minus 269. First we add the absolute value 120 269, that means 369, and now we attach the common sign. Common sign is here minus, negative sign attachment. Okay. Next, sum number 5. Sum number 5, 169 minus plus minus 125. Here we add a positive integer with a negative integer. In that case, we subtract greater absolute value from lower absolute value. That means 169 minus 125 equal to 42. Now we attach the sign of greater absolute value. Sign of greater absolute value is here plus. So it is plus 44. Okay. Now move sum number 8. Minus 2167 plus 179 plus minus 4201 plus 812. Here is two positive integer 179 and 812, and two negative integer 2167 and 4201. Now group the positive integer and group the negative integer. 179 plus 812 and two negative integer एक ग्रुप में ले आओ. 2167 प्लस एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू को लो 4201. 179 plus 812 equal to 991, and 2167 plus 4201 equal to 6368. Now one positive integer, one negative integer. You have to subtract absolute value of both from smaller to bigger. So 6368 minus 991 equal to 5377, and attach the sign of greater absolute value. Greater absolute value is here this 6368 minus negative, so it is negative. Okay. Here sum number 2, evaluate the following, and before that before that I will give you रूल ऑफ ब्रैकेट रिमूवल। मतलब कि ब्रैकेट के बाहर और ब्रैकेट के भीतर दोनों साइन मिला के एक साइन होगा। जैसे कि ब्रैकेट के बाहर में प्लस, भीतर में प्लस, तो अल्टीमेट साइन होगा प्लस। बाहर में -1, भीतर में माइनस, भीतर में माइनस, तो अल्टीमेट साइन होगा प्लस। बाहर में माइनस, भीतर में प्लस, अल्टीमेट साइन होगा माइनस। बाहर में प्लस, भीतर में माइनस, अल्टीमेट साइन होगा माइनस। सो रूल इज वेरी सिंपल, प्लस प्लस प्लस, माइनस माइनस प्लस, माइनस प्लस माइनस, प्लस माइनस माइनस। ओके, तो -12 माइनस माइनस प्लस, +63। +63 is a positive integer, negative integer, तो we subtract 63 absolute value -12 equal to +51. Sum number 4, 28 minus -43 plus -16 minus -128 minus 68. So first we have to remove the bracket. 28 minus minus plus 43 plus minus minus 16 minus minus plus 128 minus 68. Now group the all positive integers 28, 43, 128 and group the negative integers -16 minus 68. 28 minus plus 43, 128 equal to 199 माइनस इन दोनों को ऐड कर दो, 16 प्लस 68 इक्वल टू -16 माइनस 68 इक्वल टू -84, 199 माइनस 84 इक्वल टू +115. ओके, इट इज़ द आंसर. I will start in my next class multiplication and division of integers. Today up to that, see you again. Okay.